Hey, welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today I will show you how to log out of X on all devices. Open X application on your phone and tap your profile picture in the top left. Then scroll a little bit down to Settings and Privacy. Then enter Security and Account Access. Go to Apps and Sessions section. And then select Sessions. So now you should find a red button that says Log out of all other sessions. You want to tap it and confirm that you really want to do it. And once confirmed, you will stay logged in on your current device, but everywhere else gets signed out. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.